So last time I made a video about Bitcoin and I told you guys that as long as Bitcoin is moving inside the Fibonacci box right here, then we are still safe to trade Bitcoin, okay? It is still the best time for us to trade Bitcoin. But look at what happened yesterday, guys. The market went wild, okay? Look at this candle. It went down to around the 63,000 levels. And then what happened after a few hours? It went back up again inside the Fibonacci retracement, okay? So as what you can see, crypto could go wild even with just a few hours or even with just a few minutes, okay? So it is always good to set our take profit levels, to set our stop loss orders, because we could never anticipate what's going to happen next. I'm just very glad that I set my stop loss orders right below this Fibonacci retracement tool right here, because if not, then I could be one of those people who got liquidated for this particular move. So the crypto market did us dirty last night. Okay, a lot of people got liquidated from this particular move that happened within just a few hours or within just a few minutes. But yeah, I'm glad that I am not one of them. Okay, so anyways, today I am going to discuss to you guys what happened. Okay, let's continue and go to our 15-minute time frame. So as what I've mentioned, Bitcoin even went down to around these areas right here. So that's around 63,000 levels. But I actually took that opportunity to trade Bitcoin again. All right. Now let's remove our drawings. Okay. And then I will show you guys my trading history. All right. So there you go. As what you can see, we have some green arrows and red arrows right here. This is the area where I bought Bitcoin. And why did I buy Bitcoin at around these levels? Because I was observing the market yesterday. And when I noticed that we had a break of the structure right here, that's when I entered Bitcoin. Okay, so what is that break of the structure? If you're going to look at this one, guys, you would notice that Bitcoin consolidated at around these levels, right? At around 63 to around 64 levels. And when I noticed that Bitcoin broke out of this structure right here, that's when I started to observe the market again. Okay, look at what happened here, guys. After consolidating, it went out of the box, and then what happened next? It retraced back to around these areas, and that served as my entry for Bitcoin. So I entered my position there, and then look at what happened next. It went up to around these areas at around the 66,000 levels. Now, why did I sell my Bitcoin at around those levels? Because that is already a resistance levels right here. Okay, as what you can see, this is already a resistance levels. So it is just a good way for me to take my profits already. Now for this particular move, if we are going to measure it, let's say from this area going to this area right here, we gained with around 2% for this particular trade. That's not a lot, but at least gain is gain. All right, money is money. All right, now I think Bitcoin could still continue to move upwards, but since the crypto market could move so wild, okay, just like what happened yesterday, I secured my gains already, and I will just observe what will happen next after this resistance levels right here. Okay, as what you can see, I am trading Bitcoin in a lower time frame right now. I'm trading it at around the 15-minute time frame because I want to take advantage of the quick movements of the market. Now for the 1-day time frame, as what I've mentioned last time, Bitcoin is still safe to trade if we are just inside the Fibonacci retracement right here. Okay, as what you can see, we are still inside that, but something is telling me that maybe sooner or later Bitcoin might still revisit these areas right here because we made an imbalance orders at these areas. So there is still a chance for Bitcoin to consolidate and revisit those areas right there. Okay, before continuing its uptrend move. That's option number 1. But for the option number 2, I am also seeing a potential upward movements in the next few days because it was said that Donald Trump might be speaking in one of the biggest crypto conferences, the Bitcoin conference in Nashville, and I think that it could drive the prices even higher. The conference would last for like a 3 days event, if I'm not mistaken. It would start at July 25 to 27, but I'm not very sure when is Donald Trump going to take the stage. But yeah, many people are looking forward with that. So let us just see what will happen next. All right, so that's it for now. Thank you so much again for watching. I hope you learned something from this discussion. Until next time, guys, have a great day. Peace out.